Hi viewers, this is Dr. A. Sivakumar. Today we are going to learn about functions of marketing management. Marketing is the word most frequently used by the business people but may not be fully understood by the common man. Most people tend to confuse it with sales or think it is a superlative function of selling. Marketing is at the core of success of any product or that of the company that produces it. Sometimes it is said even an average product can be sold by intelligent marketing management. It is not the product that matters, but how you sell it, which underlines the importance of the core department in any firm. The following are the functions of marketing management: market research, product development and management, promotion, sales and distribution, storage, standardization and testing, after sales and customer service, financing, market risk taking, and market information. Market research. Every product or service should serve a consumer need, and if it fails to do it, the launch is likely to end in failure. Market research is the first and vital step or foundation to building a successful product. Primary phase in any product development is market research, which is done to assess the potential demand and growth expectations in the market. If it is already an existing product category, means lot of secondary data available from research agencies and in the public domain. However, if it is a new product or service, it makes sense to do a sample market survey with the help of a skilled firm. In such cases, a broader term is used: marketing research. This can judge the attitude of buyers, potential market size, consumer preferences, acceptable pricing, product features and attributes. Likewise, in the service industry too, a new marketing management concept or service is normally launched after elaborate surveys. Product development and management. Once the market research has enabled the evolvement of specifications of a product or service, the next step in the marketing management process is the making of the product. Getting the right raw material, dyes, fabrication, prototype making, and other processes are some of the details to be worked out with the production planning and manufacturing units. The success of a product would depend on the raw materials, technological know-how, and good inventory management. Each product goes through a cycle popularly known as product life cycle. It will differ across products and categories. Sometimes it may last only a few weeks or months, while in some other cases, some years. Product life cycle can be extended through advertising to gain new market share, price discounts to attract customers, using product enhancement to add value and target new areas. Even new packaging and color changes can improve perception levels. Before promotional activities are planned on a large scale, it makes perfect business sense to test market the product in select cities or region so as to gain the market response, and if any changes in the product are required, modifications and design changes can be carried out before it reaches the retail shelves and in the hands of the consumers. Promotion. A good product would not sell unless the consumers come to know about the product. The initiation of marketing management technology from beginning to end, newer options are available for the marketers. Since majority of the companies didn't have enormous resources to spend on advertisements, so they need to optimize their expenditure on it. Newspapers, radio, television, websites, social media, and Twitter are all useful platforms to launch and popularize products. The newer media are cost effective but may not lead to immediate sales conversation, as Facebook likes, shares, and comments are only the beginning of the engagement process with consumers. A product can also expect to achieve some strength on the basis of word of mouth publicity, but that can be attained only after sufficient market penetration through traditional publicity channels. Participation in the trade fairs and events can also boost sales and revenue for companies, be it consumer goods, industrial goods, banking, and financial service. Sales and distribution. Sales and distribution is an essential marketing management function as ready availability of the product is vital for the consumers to buy and consume the product. The crucial part of the business process is sales and distribution. The products must reach the targeted markets through a well planned distribution channel of national level distributors, clearing and forwarding agents, regional distributors, wholesalers, and retailers. The marketing management team needs to build a network of distributors and work on the logistics part of either depending on an in-house fleet of trucks or outsource the function to third-party logistics service providers. Many a time, due to lack of management function of planning, the products may not have reached the shop shelves, but sufficient advertising has created a demand among consumers who in turn get disappointed when the product is not immediately available. Storage. Proper storage of goods is vital for not only perishable and semi-perishable goods but also for processed food, consumer durables, but only to a lesser extent for industrial goods. It is important that distribution centers have adequate warehousing facility that can be leased for emergency requirements for supply to retail outlets. The function of storage can be carried out successfully with the help of warehouses used for storing the goods. Storage is an important marketing function which involves holding and preserving goods from the time they are produced until they are needed for consumption. Usually, there is a time breach between the production and procurement of goods and their sale or utilize. It may be because of unbalanced demand for products such as in the case of cloths, garments or jackets, or there may be an unbalanced supply because of seasonal products such as in case of agriculture products. Standardization and testing. Standardization is a framework of agreements to which all relevant parties in an industry or organization must adhere to ensure that all processes associated with the creation of goods or performance of a service are performed within set guidelines. The products produced should conform to regularity standards regarding safety, environmental impact, quality of raw materials used, design and other parameters. In USA, UK, Gulf countries and in Asia, governments have set different standards for food, consumer, electrical equipment, mobile gadgets and products are allowed to be sold only if they meet those stringent requirements. Although this is the function of the production and technical teams, the success of the product would depend on conforming to such standards. Marketing management team also needs to ensure that the products are periodically tested and evaluated based on consumer feedback so that adequate improvisations can be made. After sales and customer service. Most often companies pay less attention to an important function of marketing after sales service. The success of a product depends on customer satisfaction and hence it is vital that it is tracked on a regular basis. No product is perfect, but the success of a company depends on how fast it is with compliance redressal. In recent times, major car makers Ford, Toyota and Suzuki had to recall several new batches of their cars due to technical defects. It happened with Apple iPhones too. It goes on to prove that even large corporates are imperfect and is in their long-term interest to admit and provide product replacement and support. After sales service is a support provided to a customer after the product or service has already been purchased. Companies use after-sales support as new business strategy as it typically leads to higher customer satisfaction, brand loyalty and even word-of-mouth marketing. Financing. Most often, goods are sold to distributors and wholesalers on credit and not immediate cash. The act of providing credit when needed for distributors, the cost of getting commodities into the hands of the final users is known as finance function in marketing management. The need of finance in marketing activity is towards working capital and fixed capital that can be raised through own funds of the company or through bank loans and advance and trade credit. Trade credit is provided by the manufacturer to distributors and wholesalers. Various options of short, medium, and long term finance have to be availed in the marketing of goods and services. It is here that marketing management team has to lend a helping hand to tide over the crisis by rescheduling payments and giving time to meet the obligations of sellers and resellers. Market risk taking. Market risk is the potential for losses and failures of marketing. This includes risk related to pricing, product development, promotion, distribution, branding, customer appreciation, and sales. Business carries a lot of market risk due to new competition, fall in prices, loss of goods due to spoilage, depreciation, obsolescence, theft, fire, and floods. Sometimes, for unknown reasons, a slight defect or quality concerns in certain batches of goods shipped may have to be recalled. New regulatory rules can also make sale of manufactured goods or products impossible. It is the function of marketing management to provide for adequate market risk, which are unforeseen and often unpredictable with the data available. Market information. Market information at appropriate time is vital for product improvement and sales growth. The importance of timely market information is being recognized more than before due to expansion of markets, increase of products, and strong competition. Timely marketing management information is vital for the companies to decide on what to sell, at what price to sell, the number of competitors, and their offerings. Now, business firms employ service providers to gather data, analyze, and interpret facts. The actively collected data from external and internal sources can enable creation of useful marketing management reports, can enable that help in business decision making.